Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change nationality on United Airlines. So if you also want to change your nationality on United Airlines, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open United Airlines application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here United Airlines is opened. Now in order to change your nationality, you'll have to go to your account. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. At third, you'll be able to see the option for About Me. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see various informations like name, date of birth, gender, nationality, country or region of residence. So if you want to change the nationality, tap on the box of nationality. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several countries. Scroll down to see more options. The countries are arranged in alphabetical order. You can also search for the country by tapping on the search bar. Now type in the country. Now tap on the country. Now you can see over here the nationality is changed. Now all you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here the changes are saved. So that is how you change nationality on United Airlines. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.